Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to send your Skype credit to one of your contacts on the Skype application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now tap on the chats icon down below, which is the first option, and after that select a contact, click on its name, and then press this plus icon down below in the left side corner. Scroll down till you find the send Skype credit option, and here you should send your Skype credit as a friend, as a gift or a present to your friend. So you should select how much credit you'd like to send to your contact and choose a design. Then press the button down below, and then you will be able to proceed with this progress and then purchase the credit that you will send to your friend. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.